Hello everyone, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment. Today we will discuss about the exchange of gases in plants or respiration in plants, student. Like we have discussed about the respiration in human being. Like us, the plants also do the respiration, student, because they also need the energy like us. And for this, what they also need the oxygen. Means plants also need the oxygen for the respiration. And how do they get that? They don't have the nose like us. So from where they get? They get from the different parts in the form of the small pores, students. Like the first pores that are found generally on the leaves or the green and tender stem, and those green small pores are known as stomata. And on their woody stem, there are the small pores are found, and those small pores are known as lenticles. With this, they also get the gases, or they do the respiration with the help of root hairs. So these are the important structures from which the plants do the respiration, or we can say they get the oxygen. First, they make their food, means the plants make their food with the help of photosynthesis. In this, they also need to exchange the gases, because in the photosynthesis, which gas they need carbon dioxide, and with this they also need the water, and with this they need the sunlight. So in the presence of sunlight, these stomata are opened, and with the help of these stomata, they get the carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide is utilized to form the carbohydrate or to form the glucose. Now that glucose is stored in the form of starch in their different parts, and that glucose is again oxidized to get the energy, and they get the energy. For this, they need the oxygen, student, and that oxygen is taken via stomata, via lenticle or root hairs. And with this, the stomata are opened at the daytime and they are closed in the night time, student. Then from where they get the oxygen with the help of the lenticle, they get, or with the help of the root hairs. And in this, one important process helps them, and that process is known as diffusion. Now what is diffusion, student? Diffusion is the phenomenon in which the gas that have the higher concentration in a particular part, it moves higher to lower, means it is removed by the parts of the plant. Like here, when the plants need the oxygen, at that time they have the less oxygen, that's why they take it from the outer environment, and that outer environment provides them the oxygen, and that oxygen is used to oxidize the glucose, and the plants get the energy, and in this process the carbon dioxide is released. Now when the carbon dioxide is released, then again the carbon dioxide concentration is increased in the parts of the plant, then that carbon dioxide is again removed with the help of diffusion. So in this, the diffusion plays very important role. Now we will discuss about the opening and the closing of the stomata. Now what are the stomata, student? Stomata are the small pores, and they are covered by the guard cells. These are the guard cells, student, and the guard cells have the chlorophyll. and these guard cells are covered by the epidermal cells. These are the epidermal cells. And in which part of the leaf they are found more in number, student? They are found more in number at the lower surface of the leaf, at the lower, because at the outer surface of the leaf or the upper surface of the leaf, there is one layer is found that is known as cuticle, and cuticle is the waxy layer. That's why there are more in number at the lower surface of the leaf. So when the sunlight fall on the leaf, at that time the guard cells get the water, and due to getting the water they have one turgor pressure on them, and due to that turgor pressure these guard cells are swell, and due to the swelling they are opened. They are opened, and they are opened in the daytime in the presence of sunlight. But when there is no sunlight, student, there is no sunlight, at that time they are closed. They are closed, and they are closed due to contraction of the guard cell, because those guard cell don't get the water, due to which the guard cell don't have the turgor pressure on them, and they are closed, or guard cell are shrink and the pores are closed in the night time. So it is about the opening and the closing of the stomata, exchange of the gases, and which part help them to exchange of the gases. First is stomata, that are found generally in the leaf, lenticle, that are found in the woody stem, root hairs, that are found in the root, and in this, which important process help them in the exchange of the gases? It is diffusion. And here in the opening and the closing of the stomata, which part of the stomata help? That is guard cells, student, guard cells. So it is about the exchange of gases, respiration in plants, and opening and closing of stomata. Now you will do these questions in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.